Will you scratch me like you scratch Matt? That's probably what she did. Jump. She's gonna go up and sniff you.
It's okay. Speak to me. Say hi, Socks. Hi, Socky. Hi. What's your name, Socks? Begins with an S. Ends with an S. S-O. S-O-C-K. S.
That's not how you spell socks. You spell S-O-X.
Yeah.
Sock.
Did you see that I sent a picture to you? On your phone?
No.
Well,
Play your music, Casey.
Hold on, I'm...
Socky
I'll
kind of
play
has
one.
stinky breath too. Yeah, she does.
No, she doesn't.
I'm texting.
What are you doing?
Sing.
What?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Speak.
You want to hear the music?
Yeah. Play it.
Alright, hold on. Headbutt.
Butter. Peggy? Peggy's?
Okay. Oh! Try that one more time. You suck.
Saki, I'm not hearing any noises.
Yeah, yeah.
Sing it, Kara.
Yeah, yeah.
What?
Yeah, yeah.
Connie,
What?
that thingy that you crushed the phone with, handbone,
Peggy.
Socks. Talk to me. Make her talk, Casey. Make her talk. Talk. Saki, come on. Just one. Just one little word. Just one. Socks, I'm gonna kill myself. if
She
you don't
does it
talk.
when you don't pet her
Yeah.
and you stare at her. To do it. Imagine she gets a good toe licking.